Have you ever noticed your skin looking a little looser, or your eyes feeling heavy and tired, especially at night? Many seniors over 60 think this is just part of aging. But here's the truth. You don't have to accept it. The right bedtime drinks can quietly repair your skin, rebuild collagen, soothe your eyes, and even deepen your sleep, all while you rest. I am Doctor, no pill, and I have dedicated the last 15 years to helping seniors age powerfully without expensive treatments or endless pills. Today, I'll walk you through 3 bedtime drinks you can prepare in minutes. Each one works overnight to fight wrinkles, protect your eyes, and help your body recharge. So grab a pen, because I want you to not just learn, but actually do this tonight. Before we begin, make sure you hit like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my natural anti-aging guides. 1. Turmeric milk, collagen protector, and stress calmer. If you're over 60, one of the biggest threats to your skin is inflammation. Stress, pollution, and even sugar cause tiny fires inside your body that eat away at collagen. Turmeric milk, also called golden milk, puts out those fires. The active compound, curcumin, stops collagen from stiffening and wrinkling. It also helps regulate cortisol, your stress hormone, so your skin and eyes can repair overnight. How to prepare it? Here's exactly what to do. Warm up 1 cup of milk, dairy or almond. Don't let it boil, just warm. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper. This boosts absorption up to 20 times. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of almond oil for extra skin hydration. That's it. Simple. How to use it in routine. Drink this about 60 minutes before bed, ideally after you've turned off your screens. Seniors like Susan, age 68, made this her nightly ritual. She told me that within 1 month, her crepey skin felt plumper, and her eyes didn't sting in the mornings anymore. Don't add too much turmeric. More is not better. Stick to 1/2 teaspoon. If you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor before daily use. Pair with a handful of berries during the day for an extra collagen boost. Now, turmeric is powerful, but what if your problem isn't inflammation, but dryness and restless sleep? The next drink is like a hydration hug for your skin and eyes. Keep watching. 2. Almond milk, deep hydration, collagen support, and restorative sleep. Almond milk is more than just a plant-based alternative to dairy. When prepared correctly and taken before bed, it's a collagen-preserving, skin-hydrating, and sleep-boosting drink. Let's break down what makes it powerful. Vitamin E. This fat-soluble antioxidant shields collagen fibers from oxidative damage. Imagine vitamin E as an umbrella over your collagen scaffolding, protecting it from free radicals that would otherwise weaken and break it down. Omega, 9 fatty acids and plant sterols. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in the skin, ease dryness, and help lock in moisture. For seniors dealing with flaky skin or crepey texture, this is crucial. Tryptophan, an amino acid that converts into serotonin, the calm hormone, and melatonin, the sleep hormone. More melatonin equals deeper sleep equals more growth hormone release. Growth hormone is what repairs collagen overnight. Magnesium. Almonds naturally contain magnesium, which relaxes muscles, calms the nervous system, and makes it easier to fall asleep without tossing and turning. So, when you sip warm almond milk at night, you're not only hydrating your skin and protecting collagen, you're also telling your brain and body it's safe to rest and repair. How to prepare it? Here's the step-by-step way to prepare almond milk as a collagen-friendly bedtime ritual. Choose the right almond milk. Avoid boxed almond milk with fillers, gums, and added sugars. If possible, make your own. Soak raw almonds for 6 to 8 hours, blend with filtered water, and strain. This way you keep the nutrients intact without hidden additives that can trigger inflammation. Warm it gently. Heat 1 cup, about 200 milliliters of almond milk in a small pot. Do not boil it, just keep it cozy warm. Boiling can destroy delicate nutrients and create a burnt taste. Think of it like warming a blanket, not setting a fire. Upgrade it with collagen-friendly boosters. Cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon. Stabilizes blood sugar overnight, reducing collagen-damaging glycation. Vanilla extract, a few drops. Soothes your nervous system and makes the drink more comforting. Pinch of mineral-rich sea salt. Helps with hydration balance, especially if you tend to wake up thirsty at night. Optional, 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, but only if blood sugar isn't an issue, for extra antioxidants and soothing effect. Timing, drink it about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Why? This gives your body time to absorb the tryptophan and start the melatonin process without waking you up at 2 a.m. for a bathroom trip. How to use it in real life. Now let's put this into a nightly ritual you can actually follow. After dinner, turn off your screens at least 1 hour before bed. Dim your lights, play soft music, or simply sit in silence. Warm your almond milk following the recipe above. Sip it slowly, mindfully, don't gulp. Let it signal to your brain that it's time to relax. As you drink, practice a short breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale for 6. This helps your body fully lean into rest mode. This shows how one small nightly ritual can transform not only your sleep, but also your skin and overall mood. Warnings. A few things to keep in mind. Avoid sugary store-bought versions. Added sugars cause glycation, stiffening your collagen and making wrinkles worse. Always read the label. Watch out for allergies. If you're allergic to nuts, almond milk is not for you. Try oat milk with cinnamon as a backup collagen-friendly bedtime drink. Stay consistent. The benefits build up over weeks, not overnight. Remember, if you want more easy nightly rituals to keep your skin smooth, your eyes sharp, and your body energized, make sure to like this video and tell me in the comments. Do you usually wake up refreshed? Or do you feel groggy most mornings? 3. Chamomile tea. Collagen protection through restful sleep. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid. But here's the part most people don't know. When you improve sleep quality, you're also preserving collagen. Here's why chamomile matters for seniors. Apigenin, a natural flavonoid. This compound binds to the same receptors in the brain as some mild anti-anxiety medications. The effect? A calmer mind, easier sleep onset, and longer deep sleep cycles. Antioxidant properties. Chamomile reduces oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind collagen breakdown, wrinkles, and stiff joints. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Regular chamomile consumption can lower systemic inflammation, which often shows up as puffy eyes, skin redness, or achy joints. Digestive support. Many seniors suffer from nighttime bloating or indigestion. Chamomile relaxes the stomach and intestines, allowing the body to rest and repair instead of staying busy fighting discomfort. When you combine better digestion, reduced inflammation, and deeper sleep, your collagen network finally gets the overnight repair it's been craving. How to prepare it? Chamomile tea is simple, but the way you prepare it determines how effective it will be. Choose whole flower tea. Skip the cheap, dust-in-a-bag versions. Look for whole dried chamomile flowers or high-quality loose leaf blends. These retain higher levels of apigenin and antioxidants. Brewing method. Boil fresh water, then let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes, around 95 degrees Celsius, 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour over 1 to 2 teaspoons of chamomile flowers. Cover the cup with a lid or small plate while steeping for 7 to 10 minutes. Covering is key. It prevents the aromatic oils, where the magic lives, from evaporating. Optional enhancers. Lemon balm or lavender for extra calming effects. Drop of raw honey adds antioxidants and makes it more soothing for the throat. Slice of fresh ginger aids digestion, especially if bloating keeps you awake at night. How to use it in real life. About 30 minutes before bed, turn off stimulating activities. Brew your chamomile tea using the method above. Sip it slowly in a quiet environment. Dim lights, no TV blaring in the background. Combine it with a skincare step if you like, for example, applying a natural moisturizer or gently massaging your temples. This pairs inner calm with outer care. A few important notes before you try chamomile. Allergies: if you're allergic to ragweed, daisies, or chrysanthemums, test carefully or avoid chamomile altogether. Medication interactions. Chamomile can interact with blood thinners or sedatives. If you're on prescriptions, check with your doctor first. Consistency is key. 1 cup won't change your life, but 1 cup every night for 3 to 4 weeks. That's when seniors start noticing smoother skin, less puffiness, and calmer mornings. Extra tips. Pair chamomile tea with a bedtime journaling habit. Writing down worries before sleep clears mental clutter, letting the tea's calming compounds work even better. If you often wake up at night to use the bathroom, brew your chamomile tea slightly stronger but with less water, so you get the effects without filling your bladder. Now you've got 3 powerful, pill-free bedtime drinks that directly support collagen, skin health, and better rest. Turmeric milk fights inflammation and protects collagen from oxidative stress. Almond milk hydrates skin, boosts melatonin, and improves overnight repair. Chamomile tea calms the nervous system, deepens sleep, and reduces collagen-damaging stress. Each one is simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. But the key is this: don't just watch, try one tonight. Pick the one that fits your taste and health needs, and stick with it consistently. Imagine this. Instead of waking up groggy, puffy, and stiff, you start your mornings with rested eyes, smoother skin, and real energy. That's the no-pill zone lifestyle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments, which of these drinks are you most excited to try tonight? Your feedback helps me create more natural solutions tailored for you. And if you want more nightly rituals to protect collagen, boost energy, and keep your joints pain-free without pills, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell, because the next video will reveal a little-known kitchen spice that doubles your collagen defense. Don't miss it.